Hi, welcome back to our channel. And now we're back here in the kitchen. We're gonna make something very special today. We're gonna make a blueberry cheesecake. Before anything else, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so that you're gonna get notified whenever we upload a new video. So stay tuned. Okay, we're back. So we're gonna make a blueberry cheesecake. So in this case, sa paggawa ng blueberry cheesecake, there are two parts of it. So first part is making the crust, and second part is making the dough for the cheesecake. And syempre lastly yung topping na blueberry. So what are our ingredients? So for our crust, ang kailangan natin is graham crackers. Obviously dapat mas maganda na kung crush na siya para hindi mo na kailangan i-crush. So on top of that, kailangan tayo ng butter, around 6 teaspoons or tablespoons pala ng butter, melted butter, and then 4 tablespoons of sugar. That's for the crust. Okay, so for our cheesecake batter, gagamit tayo ng 2 bars of cream cheese. Gagamit tayo ng a little bit of flour, a little bit of sugar, blueberry jam. Meron tayong all-purpose cream and 2 to 4 eggs. I think we're gonna add 4 eggs para mas maging fluffy siya. And vanilla extract. Okay, so to make the crust, mag-melt lang tayo ng butter. Dapat half a cup ng butter natin. And then we're gonna use 2 cups of crushed graham. And then we're gonna have 4 tablespoons of sugar, any kind of sugar you want. So what we're gonna do is haluin lang natin yung crushed graham with the melted butter and sugar. And then once nahalo natin lahat yun, lalagay na natin siya sa ating pan. Didikdikin lang natin para maging base ng ating cake. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So to make the cheesecake batter, obviously we need the cream cheese. So gagamit tayo ng 2 bars of cream cheese, and then hopefully dapat room temperature na siya para madali na siyang haluin. In this case, wala tayong electric beaters, so gagamit na tayo ng manual beater. So after natin mag-beat yung or mahalo yung softened na cream cheese, lalagyan natin siya ng 1 cup of sugar. Tapos haluin lang natin siya hanggang sa totally ma-mix siya. After ng cup of sugar, maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup of all-purpose cream. So haluin na rin natin siya. Pag nahalo na natin siya, maglalagay tayo ng 4 eggs. Dapat yung 4 eggs natin, isa-isa natin ilalagay. Isa, tapos halo. Pag incorporate na yung first egg, lagay naman yung second egg, haluin hanggang sa maubos yung 4 na egg. Pag nahalo na natin lahat yon, lalagyan natin siya for flavoring ng konting vanilla extract, around 1 teaspoon. And then we're gonna also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt para bumukas yung ating flavor doon. Lastly, maglalagay tayo ng 4 tablespoons of flour. Kasi mag-oven tayo, so may konting flour doon para mag-harden siya ng konti. We're gonna prepare na yung mismong cake. Diba, we did the crust na chinil natin for around 30 minutes para medyo hard na yung ating crust. So pag katapos nun, ilalagay na natin yung butter mix na ginawa natin. So itatap mo lang siya dun sa ating crust, tapos pantayin lang ng konti. So that will be ready for our baking. So but before we do the baking, yung ating pan, babalutin natin siya ng konting foil, aluminum foil, kasi i-bake back natin siya. So paglagay natin dito, yung tray ng oven, lalagyan natin siya ng konting tubig doon para as it actually is being baked, yung water na nag-evaporate will help out, make sure na even out yung heat sa loob. At the same time, hindi siya yung parang sunog sa gilid. So that's why we're doing the bake bath. But on top of that, we are using that yung ating foil para hindi mag-leak yung tubig papasok, as well as hindi mag-leak yung butter palabas. So yun yung ating technique na gagamitin today. Then after baking, that's gonna be at around 160-170 degrees Celsius. Kung oven ng Philippines, kasi Celsius ang ginagamit natin, for about 45 minutes. Pag tapos na yung 45 minutes, let it sit sa oven niya ng another 1 hour para yung reduced heat, niluluto pa rin niya yung cheesecake. After that, tsaka mo siya ilabas at room temperature, and then ipasit mo lang siya for about 5-10 minutes bago mo siya ilagay sa ref to chill. Chill mo siya ng around 4 to 6 hours, maganda overnight. So once na-chill na siya sa ref, paglabas nyo after 4 to 6 hours, lagyan mo siya ng toppings ng blueberry. Tapos, it's up to you kung gusto mo i-chill ulit siya. Pero okay lang naman na maglagay mo ng blueberry sa ibabaw. Leave it for around 10 minutes. Then you can cut, serve, and it's ready.
A few moments later.
First part done. Siya, ang laki. Ang bango niya. Sobra. So, kailangan doon talaga sa ref. Then, afterwards, saka natin siya lalagyan ng toppings na blueberry. There.
Meanwhile. Yay! Tapos na. So, this is Baby Cadence Banana Blueberry Muffin with oats. So, I hope magustuhan siya ni Baby Cadence, but knowing her, anything na bread, she likes it. So, I think pasado sa kanya to. Yay! A few moments later. like it, love? Iba daw yung bread na kinakain mo dati. Sige. Dahan-dahan, baby, ha? Chew ka po. Chew. Sige. Hi, love! You like it? Bagong gising. Aww, she likes her blueberry muffin. Banana and blueberry muffin. Yan, 5 yan ha, 5 mini muffins yan. Nakakaisa na siya. Pangalawa niya na yan. Ang bilis-bilis kumain. Oh, baby love. Dahan-dahan, love. Please. You like it? Cute naman, no? Bagong gising.
Meanwhile.
Look at that. Kumusta ang gawa mo, love?
Parang gawa ng, parang tinitinda sa Starbucks.
Wow. Gawa niya, bangko niya. Pero masarap siya.
Galing sa blue purple. Purple, ano ba?
Purple oven?
Purple oven.
Pero masarap talaga siya, promise. Well, ako hindi pa ako makain ng blueberry niyan, ha. Sarapan na ako.
Malilan talaga yung pan. Sobrang lapad ng pan.
Sobrang lapad. Kaya naging parang ano siya, pie.
Yung maliit yung pan, mas kapal yung ano.
Mas makapal yung puti na part. Even the,
Okay.
the crust. Pero not bad for first time.
For an experiment.
For an experiment. As in, first time ever. Try it. Masarap siya as in. Bili lang kayo ng mas, maliit na pan siguro. Or, kung marami kayo sa bahay,
Damihan niyo yung ingredients.
damihan niyo yung ingredients nyo. Right.
So, blade mo lang.
Good job, love. Good job.
So, there you have it. Simple lang naman yung process. And simple lang naman yung ingredients. So, hopefully, guys, you have learned something. And I'm sure na simple lang sobrang simple yung ginawa natin. Even other dads can do this particular recipe. And hopefully, kung maging successful kayo, let me know. Comment down below. We'd like to get your feedback. So, again, if you're not a subscriber yet, please click on subscribe button. Click on the bell button so that you're gonna get notified whenever we upload new videos. Also, click on the thumbs up button if you really like this button. If not, then please again, give me some feedback. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.